Introducing MasTur Gut Health, an advanced 8-in-1 multi-herb gut restoration formula, naturally designed to soothe, restore, and strengthen your gut from within. Powered by marshmallow root, turmeric, licorice, fenugreek, L-Glutamine, and other gut-supporting botanicals. Each capsule delivers potent bioactive nutrition for better digestion and daily gut wellness, supporting deep gut lining repair, gut immunity. MasTur Gut Health helps restore microbial balance. Enhanced with PapaEnz Digest Blend. Prebiotic, probiotic, featuring papain and bromelain enzymes. To help break down food faster and support smoother digestion. Bloating, sluggishness, and discomfort often begin in the gut. Meet MasTur Gut Health. It helps relieve digestive discomfort, supports nutrient absorption, with L-Glutamine to help strengthen gut walls, and marshmallow root to support a protective gut lining. 70% of your immune system is connected to your gut, promotes balanced gut flora, gentle cleansing. MasTur Gut Health supports a healthier microbiome and natural colon cleanse. Strong gut, strong life. MasTur Gut Health, the ultimate gut-supporting super blend.